Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your Motorola Edge 70 Pro. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over and remove any screen protectors or cases. They can cause a lot of interference. The screen protectors and the cases, it's very important to remove them since let's say you have a case that's covering the bezel, which is a little dark part between the screen and the side of the phone. If it's covering it, then that's basically wrong and we don't want it, because it will go onto our screen and this is what will happen. So sooner or later you won't be able to just select almost anything on the phone. As you guys can see, it will look like this and we don't want it. Now for the screen protector, if it's not applied perfectly on the let's say glass, then we want it removed, because if it's not applied perfectly, it won't work perfectly. And of course, if it's going off to the edges or the side of the phone, and let's say leave this part uncovered, then your screen will just look like this. And even though those buttons work, not everything else will work, so I wouldn't recommend that. And what are we going to do next is we're simply going to clean our screen with a microfiber cloth. So I got it right here. Now we're simply going to swipe on our screen for a couple of times, and once we swipe everything, we should simply just keep it like this. Now let's restart our phone to refresh the system by pressing the power button and the volume up button. Of course, we're tapping on a restart and the phone now is restarting, so I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, as a last resort, I would recommend just going over into the settings and swiping down until you see system updates. Here we click check for updates, and as you guys can see, everything looks good. We are on the latest version of the software, and that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.